November dump Instagram change story. Hello guys, in this video I will show you where to find the November dump as Instagram add yours button and how to do this story with November dump. So first of all, this means that you have to add some photos from the month November into your story. So let's go ahead and do that. First of all, I will show you from where you can get that add yours sticker. You have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and then search for Ellie and John YTT. And now you will have to go to November add yours at highlights. And if the highlights are not loading, as you can see here, you just have to go back. And if it still doesn't work, you can go to the description box below and there you will find a YouTube tutorial that will help you with this problem if the highlights are not loading. So now you can tap. Also, if you are not able to click on the add yours button, I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below also. And you can fix this problem by watching that video. There we have it. Click on the add yours button. Now we have to go to the upload and choose some photos. I will go with this photo right here. And to add a second one, you have to go to stickers from the top of the screen, which is here. Then scroll down and click on this plus icon and it will get you to your gallery once again. But I will leave it just like this for the video and share this story with your friends. So guys, if this video was helpful, you can like it and you can also comment in the comment section down below if you have any questions, any thoughts, any problems, and I'll make sure to answer to them and help you as quickly as possible. You can also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one and turn on the notification bell because I will post other videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.